During lockdown, the shops have been closed and we've used online shopping more. Here's my latest purchase just arrived. It's amazing what you can order to be delivered. These are actually live animals. I've ordered a menagerie of animals through the post over the years, much to the disgust of the mailroom colleagues at work. Lockdown has meant they get delivered straight home. These are Adalia bipunctata, or two-spot ladybirds. These are the larvae stage. I've ordered 2 boxes of 50. They are tiny, some of them are around only 1 millimetre long. It's very hard to tell whether there are actually 50 in the box, as they are sent out with food, but they are cannibalistic. The bipunctata is a native species to here in the UK and Ireland, but sadly are in decline due to an invading ladybird species, the harlequin. I am a keen novice gardener and I love roses. They are often attacked by aphids, and by that I mean green, white or black fly. I try to not use chemical paste, potions or sprays in the garden and prefer to find a natural way to deal with problems and pests. Our native ladybirds are excellent helpers as they gobble up loads of aphids as they grow. You can buy adult ladybirds also, but I find they tend to fly away. This isn't the first year I've bought ladybirds or their larvae online. These ants are farming the aphids by collecting a sticky substance they make called honeydew. The soldiers will try to fight off the ladybirds to protect the aphids. The larvae come with a bag to put them in to release them in larger plants. I'm going to tip them out straight into the base of a flowering cherry plant which has plenty of aphids, and as it's a dry, bright day they should be safe enough. Once the larvae have eaten enough, they go into a pupa similar to a butterfly, and inside they change to their adult form and then emerge ready to eat more aphids, mate and lay eggs ready to start the next generation. I find these fascinating creatures to watch, and to think that this goes on all summer in our gardens without us noticing it.